Polished people, what's going on? It's your girl, the Polished Lady, and I got another video. Hey, got another video. Alright, y'all. As y'all know, I know y'all about to say it before y'all even keep going in this video. I'm not wearing yellow. Yes, I have this lovely green ensemble that I purchased from Perfect Ebony Nicole. Perfect Pick by Ebony Nicole. Sorry. But she's no longer in business. That's what I heard. But I just wanted to hop back on here and show some love to another mom boss who is doing some dope stuff. So she sent me a package and I want to open it with you guys. Boom! I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but let me get to opening. And yeah, I'm doing a standing unboxing. Yeah, her packaging has changed, I see. So, oh dang, I'm trying not to make it fall. So yeah, you see that? Cute little things. And then she got like black little frills. You better come through with your new packaging. Let's get to reading. It says Made Fresh by Lo. We hope this package brightens your day as much as your order has made ours. To say thank you, we're sending you 15% off your next order with us. Use the code. I'm not about to tell you my code because y'all got to purchase so y'all can get y'all one of these little beautiful cards too. So, like I said, while I was reading, these products are coming from Made Fresh by Lo. That's L-O. So make sure you go on Instagram, go follow her. It's Made Fresh by Lo. No funky way to spell that. It's exactly how it sounds. And then again, she has a what is CMOS card. I think if you've seen my previous video before, I will actually write it in the description so y'all can learn all about what CMOS is, because I'm not about to go all into that again because I already did it. This is 2021. We about to do some new. We're gonna do this unboxing. And then let's see. And then of course there is the receipt. Okay, thank you, girl. One thing that I see is some organic sienna leaf tea. Now y'all, I'm not really a big tear, just because I like sweet stuff. And I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm probably gonna make a reel with this on IG. So y'all, if y'all aren't already following me on IG, y'all need to be following the Polished Lady and get together so y'all can see whether or not I like this tea. I know when the owner, Lauren, be making her tea, it looks so cute and stuff. I'm like, oh girl, I want some. Now I got some. Thank you. And then what else is in here? Got some, move all the little frills and stuff. I think I'm gonna keep her little, what are these things called? Swivels. I think I'm gonna keep them. I might need them for repackaging purposes. Open this up. Gotta use my muscles today. Use my muscles. Mainly when you order products from Made Fresh by Lo, if you order CMOS, you immediately have to put it in the refrigerator. It's to be refrigerated. Trying to get in here and see what this one is. Ooh, I got that big jar. How you like me now? Oh, see, and she still sends ice packs in there to keep it cold until it gets to you. So this one, this is a new CMOS. I haven't tried yet. Girl, she even got expiration dates on this. Cause she knew. Okay, so this is Jade. How fitting. I got some CMOS that is green and it's jade colored, and I'm wearing like an emerald. How fitting. Thank you, girl. But let me see. Let me also read. So, oh, okay. So this sticker is to tell you when you should dispose of this. So it is so funny. Oh my gosh. So me and Lo, I think we both into numbers and stuff like that, just spiritually. And it says, can y'all see that? It's like 4/20/21. That's Walee's third birthday, and she's a mom, and I'm a mom, so it's just like we here, girl. We are here. That is so hilarious. Definitely, definitely go copy you some sea moss. This stuff works wonders, keeps me energized, and so I can keep up with my little toddler because he is all over the place. If you know, you know. And then got this packaging. Let's see what's up in here. I don't want to break the black bag. I like them. They're really cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. And then, dun 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 dun. What is over there? I can't see. I gotta turn to y'all. Okay, I got one more to open. Yes! Yes! So, baby girl, she done invented her own Relax Me essential oil blend. Come through. Made Fresh by Lo, y'all. Y'all better go. So, yeah, we were commenting back and forth on Instagram about these, and she was telling me she used it on her son, so I am excited as F. Yes, and then there is a Ease Me roll-on oil. So I'm assuming it's got pepper. It smells pepperminty. So I'm assuming it has peppermint essential oils in it, and that is super super dope. Then this last bottle that's in my hand. Hold on, let me put it up there. It says Energize Me, and then it's a rose water spray. It says essential oil, roses, candula, witch hazel, and aloe vera. And so there's literal roses in there. Can y'all see that? Talk about the power of presentation. Baby girl sent this out and she was coming for hers. I want to smell like roses today. Did y'all feel that? Did you feel the inner goddess when I sprayed that? I'm crazy, I know. But yeah. Okay, well, let's get to it. I can't wait for you guys to go purchase your Made Fresh by Lo products. And then after you do, let her know that the Polished Lady sent you. Let her know that y'all watched this video and y'all got in tune with what y'all need to do to progress further in 2021. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm trying to keep them as short and to the point as possible this year because I'm coming for everything that's mine, and time is money. It definitely is. So make sure y'all subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the Polished People tribe so you could be on here and get the latest videos from the Polished Lady. Mwah, you know what I'm saying? And keep that notification bell on at all times, because then you're gonna miss out, and then you're gonna feel sad that you didn't get the latest tea, the latest scoop. Hold up, did I say tea? I'm about to go make me some tea, y'all. All right, bye, y'all. Stay polished. Love y'all.